Okay, so this is the bad one. When I took out fancy Volkswagen Audi one. Oh, it has flathead pieces instead of Phillips. That's interesting. Yeah, got a flathead right here. So I'm going to take this apart and see if I can see what happened, if anything. Because I put the new one in and it works like it should. Before the wipers would just come on without moving this switch at all. So yeah, taking this one apart, hopefully you can see what's going on. I mean, it still has all its clicks. Push it on it for the reverse or rear window wash. Pull on it for the front window wash. The one click back for the rear windows. Up, up, high. I'm curious what happened. Come apart. This one definitely seems to be a little higher quality than the one I got. Hey, I got two. Get out. Hoping I don't break this trying to get it open, because if I can fix it, well, maybe solder something, then I will. Why is it not coming apart? Oh, this, are you kidding me? Stupid. That looks okay. So it's got white grease instead of clear grease. Ooh, that's all goobered up. It's a technical term. Alright, now that I got that bottom piece off, I can loosen these tabs right here and right here and get a look at the bottom side of this. Let's see if anything looks bad. Well, everything looks okay. I don't know what happened. Although the other one, it didn't really have grease. It didn't have grease on all of this right here. This was clean. Maybe that is connecting all of these and making it run. The grease just got out of wherever it was. Wherever it should be. Yeah, I think that's what happened. I mean, that's what it looks like anyway. Never know, because I ain't putting this one back in there. But I will say that it does look like that grease in these two parts right here shouldn't be there. Although I don't know how it got there. It was working fine for a long time and then all of a sudden stopped working, so. Well, alright. And that's it. put this back together, slide it in to here, click, click, make sure this is on there right. I'll put this on the bottom side first. It's probably a little easier.